What happened to the rest of my money, Bridget?
Thanks to you, they're now behind bars, and the rest of their gangs are being rounded up as we speak. But I must stress that you leave the police work to the police, or I'll throw you behind bars with the rest of Black Heart tomorrow.
Oh no. Rot, you know, fire reaching a man.
The name is The Guardian. Now tell me, why else you'd have me stand up in the rain out there so I get wet now, can?
You saw me just in the hand? Don't make me use it on you. Time to die.
Okay, I'll give you another chance. We can walk out of here and just call it quits.
What you talk about? And I saw we do it in a Bridget.
The entity has declared destruction on this earth. By training your new pupil, you will in turn release a weapon more dangerous than 10 nuclear blasts. You don't know the dangers that faces you in training Xayma Chross.
I want to visit. No, don't.
Let them down.